Tips for IELTS success. Tips for IELTS exam: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So, first of all, let's start with the listening tips. Understand the format of the test. There will be four parts or four sections: conversation, monologues, and discussions. And questions will be multiple choice, fill in the blanks, matching columns, completing the tables, completing charts, short summary questions, or fill in the blanks, short questions. So all these questions are objective type. What should be your strategies? How to tackle these questions? Well, first of all, time. Use the 30 seconds time before each part or each section, before each part or each section, to skim the questions and predict possible answers. Focus on the synonyms. The audio may use words different from those in the questions. Don't panic. If you miss the answer, move on. Answers often follow the sequence of the audio, and they are always in sequence. The questions in listening test, they're always in sequence. So write while listening. Take quick notes and underline keywords in the question paper. Check spelling and grammar because marks are lost for mistakes in spelling and grammar. Everyday practice. Listen to podcasts, audiobooks, or new channels to sharpen your listening skill. So that will be: first, understand the listening test, what is the format, and then practice. And after that, take mock tests. So you can use Cambridge IELTS books, or you can use online test sources. Reading. Now, understand the format. There will be three passages in academic and three sections in general training. So here there are different questions. All these questions are objective type, like fill in the blanks, multiple choice questions, completing the table, completing charts, true, false, or yes or not given, and other questions. So each part will test two, at least two questions. There can be two or three different question types that will be tested, as in listening. Your strategies should be skimming and scanning. Skim for the main idea and scan for specific details. Time management. You should not spend more than 20 minutes on section. Focus on keywords. Underline keywords in the questions and locate them in the text. For example, true, false, not given, or yes, no, not given. True means the information matches the passage, and false means it contradicts the passage. Not given means there's no relevant information in it. Practice paraphrasing. Question may rephrase for text for the passage. So you should practice paraphrasing. Practice time test. You should get familiar with the test, different question types, and then use Cambridge IELTS books or different online sources and try to practice them. So in reading, efficiency is the key. If you are efficient, you'll be able to give right answers. If you're not efficient, it will be difficult for you to give right answers. So try to be efficient, understand the questions, and then practice them. Writing. In writing, there'll be two tasks. Task one, academic. It will be in academic IELTS, there will be the report. In general training, it will be a letter. And task two is an essay. So you should focus on, in academic, you should focus on data, comparison, trends, and you will have to see whether trends are increasing or decreasing or fluctuating or they are stable. So it's kind of transfer of information from graph, table, chart to words. While in general training, it's a letter in which you tell who are you, why are you writing the letter, and what do you want. So simply three answers, and those points are given. For essay, your target should be number one, write the essay in two stages. Number one, the thinking stage. Number two, the writing stage. Second is plan your essay. Spend 5 minutes on planning, 32 minutes on writing, and last 3 minutes on editing. So, and follow the structure: introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Use linking words to connect your ideas, like furthermore, however, in contrast, therefore, to recapitulate. Similarly, present balanced ideas, discuss both sides, increase vocabulary and grammar, avoid repetition, and that is something which is important. Similarly, grammar, that is important, and grammatical range and accuracy, task accomplishment or task response, and then we have fluency and no fluency and coherence, that is for speaking. In writing, it will be task accomplishment. Second, grammatical range and accuracy. Third, lexical resource. Then it should not be off topic. It should not be underlined. It should not be memorized. So these things will be checked. So you'll have to make sure that you are following these things accurately. Okay, next is the speaking part. In speaking, what you're going to do is speaking will be in three parts: part one, two, and three. Part one, that is short question answer, that'll be 4 to 5 minutes about everyday life. Part two, there will be a topic in which you will have to prepare notes in 1 minute. You'll be given 1 minute to prepare notes, and after that, you will have to then you will have to part two, and after that, you will have part three, that is discussion. So try to understand. So for part one, practice everyday life. You will have to practice topic, and part three. So pronunciation is important, similarly grammar is important, vocabulary. These things are the key points which you will have to keep in mind when you should practice more in order to do well in your test. Good luck. See you.